There are some hobbies that are not only fun but rewarding as well. Jewelry making falls into that category. Making your own jewelry allows you to unleash your creativity. You can personalize your creation however you like. With jewelry so expensive, hundreds and even thousands of dollars, making your own jewelry allows you to save money. Did you know that jewelry making offers health benefits as well? Jewelry making is a great hobby for people of all ages, from toddlers to seniors. It helps your mind because in many ways it is like putting together a puzzle. You have beads of many different colors, shapes, designs, with the goal of pairing several of them and turning them into a wearable art. This is no small feat, as jewelry making is much more than placing beads on a string. Working with beads can also improve your physical health because it eliminates stress. It helps reduce the risk of a heart attack and other conditions caused by stress. Jewelry making also increases energy levels while reducing blood pressure. Instead of taking pills and medications to cure high blood pressure and a lack of energy, try beading instead. It's a fun way to stay healthy. Jewelry making is especially beneficial for the very young and very old. Working with beads develops many useful skills for preschoolers, while seniors can benefit from the activity as well. Once they hit retirement, seniors often don't challenge their brains as much, which can lead to cognitive disorders down the road. By participating in bead jewelry making, they keep their brains active. Jewelry making also develops creativity and imagination in people of all ages. Those who participate in this activity are able to create a piece of jewelry with their own unique designs. Using beads to make jewelry is a great skill for young children to develop. That's because the practice of making jewelry promotes development in many key areas. Children improve their fine motor skills by grasping beads of various sizes. Once the bead is in the child's hand, it must then be transferred onto the string, which involves manipulation skills. Visual motor skills are also improved through beading. Putting the bead onto the string requires hand-eye coordination. Using beads to make jewelry also improves problem-solving skills in children. They must figure out what type of jewelry they want to create and what pattern to use. They must also determine how many beads to put in a pattern and how long the bracelet or necklace should be, which improves math skills. Jewelry making is used as a form of therapy. It is often done in hospital settings as a way to help patients cope with their illnesses. Patients are more relaxed and able to better understand their illness. Thanks for watching. Until next time.